So that's my pet Budgie. The one on the left has darker stripes than the one on the right. This means he is younger, as they are born with really dark stripes, and as they get older, they start to lose their stripes. Now, the darker striped Budgie is called Flip, and the lighter striped Budgie is called Flop, and that makes Flip Flop. So now I'm going to tell you what you need to look after your pet Budgies successfully. Firstly, you will need a Budgie cage of about this size. Secondly, you will need some Budgie food. You can get this from any pet shops or supermarket. Thirdly, you will need some water. Put it in a small bowl for them and put it at the bottom of their cage. Do not put it high up. Make sure you clean it out at least once a day with fresh water. You will also need some sandpaper or newspaper to go at the bottom of your cage. You can get sandpaper from pet stores and newspaper from supermarkets. You need to clean out your Budgie's cage at least once a week, as they get their Budgie seed everywhere and they poo in their cage a lot. So now I'm going to show you some things that you may want to put in your Budgie cage for them. So you may want to put some cuttlefish in their cage. It sharpens their beaks and claws. You may want to put some mirrors in their cage, as they really like mirrors and it makes them go really loud. You may also want to put some millet in your Budgie's cages. It's a different type of birdseed that your Budgie will really like compared to normal birdseed. You can get it from pet stores. You may want to add a clip to their cage door to make sure it's fully secure and they don't You may also want to add some other toys for them to play with. You may want to add some perches, like this one that my Budgies really like going on, and this wooden one here, or some plastic ones that go across the whole cage. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this makes you want to get some Budgies in the future. And even if you already have Budgies, it helps you to understand more about looking after them.